Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exploring Snapchat AI tools for better stories. So I will be just tap on my Snapchat and make sure you will be just download the latest version of Snapchat. So basically in the first chat you will see the My AI. So basically this is the artificial intelligence. So it will be just a AI assistant can suggest you like story ideas, captions and responses. So here are some features like example, like explain a science topic in a simpler way, and you will be just asking for like teach me some algebra basics like math questioning, and tell me the main theme of the book I'm reading, and recommend something to watch. So if I just tap on it, recommend something to watch, so it will be says that sure, how about the secret life of a Walter Mitty. It is an inspiring adventure film that encourages you to step out of your comfort. So in this way, you will be just use this AI assistant for the suggestions of the story ideas or the captions and the more responses. So in this way, you will be just have to exploring Snapchat AI tools for better stories. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified.